you have to make yourself the best you can be. Every day you need to try harder. Every day you need to say, what did I learn today? Because we learn things all the time. But we already know everything. You already know the answer. You just don't know that you know it yet. Right?
Right.
Because you have this idea, and this idea, and this idea, and this idea. And if you connect the dots,
The big idea.
then you make the big idea. Exactly. Whoop. There you are. Now please, if you answer a question, remind me to give you a sticker. Because my brain is full of dots. And they are always connecting. And sometimes they're going so fast that it is hard to slow down and remember one little dot. Everything is connected. Okay, but I asked him to say this word. So first I asked him to read the word, right? Because before you can say it, you have to read it. Correct? Correct?
Yes.
Okay, what do you use to read? Raise your hand.
Mouth?
Your mouth? You use your mouth to read?
No. Eyes.
Eyes. Very good. Okay. Now, you use your eyes. And then, after you read, where does it go?
Brain.
To your brain. Here you are. Thank you.
Thank you.
After your brain, where does it go? When you want to talk.
Mouse.
Your mouse? Where is a mouse?
Mouth.
Mouth. Mouth. Make sure you get a TH. Remember how you say mass? And you say mouse? The reason why you say it, I am about to tell you why. So, shh. So we do eyes, then we use brain, and then we use our mouth. This is easy or hard?
Easy.
Easy. Great. So, this is what you read.
Yes.
Mess. Is this what you think?
No.
When you read this inside your brain, do you think this?
Yes.
You do, right? I don't. But you do. Not everyone, but most of you. You actually think this because you are translating. And because you are translating, you're not going to actually understand everything in English. So, you read this with your eyes. You think this with your brain. And then what do you say? Mass. Is this easy or hard?
Easy.
Easy. Okay. Now, what language is this? Math. What language?
Body. Eyes.
What language?
English.
English! Who said that? Did you say that?
Yes.
Man, you are so smart. All the time I'm giving you stickers. Shh. Remember, one person talks at a time. Alright, so this is English. What is this?
Korean.
Korean. What is this?
Math.
What language?
English.
Is that English? This is English. Konglish. You said Konglish, right?
Korean.
Yes. What is Konglish? What is Konglish?
The Korean speaking same English, Korean speaking.
So you're taking English and you're taking Korean and you're putting them together. That is Konglish, right?
Yes.
Okay. So,
English plus Korean.
yes. Now, my question,
Oh,
do you see?
yes.
Konglish. Konglish. That you say Konglish all the time, but do you understand why you have named it Konglish? Korean English. Is that easy or hard?
Easy.
Okay, great. Now, tell me something. English. Is English good or bad?
Good.
Good.
Korean good.
Korean is good.
Plus bad. English.
And Konglish is bad. Okay. Is this easy or hard?
Easy.
Easy. You can understand this if you are a baby, right? A baby could understand this. It's so easy. Now, tell me something. Do you understand?
So cunning, teacher, cunning is a Konglish.
What is?
Cunning is a Konglish.
부정행위.
What's that first word?
Cunning, cunning.
Cunning. How do you spell that word?
It's like cheating.
Oh.
Cheating.
Well, I can give you a perfect example.
Cunning is a Konglish.
Curry?
And cunning is a cunning.
Cunning.
Shh. I'm sorry. I just don't understand your word that you're saying because you're speaking Konglish. I don't speak Konglish. I speak English. Okay, so hold on. Shh. I can give you a perfect example of Konglish. It is, how do you, I need to erase all of this, okay? I'm going to erase this, but remember this, because I'm going to write these words again. Oh, I don't want to erase this. I want you to see something. Okay, perfect example of Konglish. In America, we like to eat a type of food that is round, with cheese and bread and as tomato sauce, and we cut it into slices. What is that called?
Delicious.
Delicious. Yes, it is. But what is it called? Dominoes. What is it called?
Pizza.
Pizza.
Cheat.
Why do you say pizza? Because you do not have any Z's in Korean. So you actually, a long time ago, somebody brought a book to Korea, an English book, and they decided that they wanted everyone to learn English, but they used Korean letters. But there is not a TH in Korean. There is not a Z. There is not a Z in Korean. So they changed the letters so that it would be easy for them, instead of doing it right the first time. I believe in doing something right the first time. If you do it right the first time, you don't have to keep doing it. Do you understand? Yes, sir. Why are you so tired? Are you one of the children that has to go into the cafeteria at night? No? Do any of you have to go in the cafeteria at night and study SAT words until midnight?
Yes.
No.
You have to do that?
I am 12 o'clock.
Till 2 o'clock you were in there?
2
o'clock.
180 words?
Yes.
You were in there till 2 o'clock because the Korean teachers think that if you lose one sticker, you should learn 20 words? Is that nice?
No.
Is it nice or mean?
Means.
Do you actually learn things? Or do you memorize, take the test, and forget? Which one? Do you remember or do you forget? You forget, okay? The things I teach you, Do you remember?